In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Moodle account. Whether you're a student gaining access to your course materials or an employee logging into a company training portal, getting into Moodle is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, let's start by navigating to the correct Moodle site. This would typically be a web address or URL provided by your educational institution or employer. Simply open up your preferred web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever you like using best, and type that URL into the address bar at the top of your screen. Hitting enter will bring you directly to the Moodle homepage. Once you're on this page, you'll want to locate the login button, which is usually stationed at the top right corner of the site, just waiting for you to click on it. Now that you've clicked login, you're going to need your credentials to gain access. Here's where it's essential to have your username and password handy. If you're like many of us, juggling multiple passwords can get confusing, so keeping them stored securely but accessibly, perhaps with a password manager, could save you time and headaches. Go ahead and type your username and password into the provided fields. If you're finding this a little challenging, don't worry. Moodle often supports alternative login options as well. Look for choices to sign in via your Google account or your Microsoft account, which might save you some time if you already have those accounts set up for easy access. After you've entered your credentials, go ahead and press Login. At this point, Moodle will take a couple of moments to verify your information. Once it's happy with what it finds, you'll be whisked away to your dashboard. This is your central hub within Moodle, where all your enrolled courses or company resources are displayed. If you had any issues logging in, it might be worth checking that you're using the correct username and password and ensure that caps lock isn't accidentally turned on. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Moodle account. From here, you can explore the courses or resources available to you, participate in discussions, submit assignments, or any other tasks you need to accomplish within your Moodle environment. I hope this walkthrough was helpful to you today. Remember, if you ever forget how to log in, you can always revisit this tutorial for a quick refresher. Stay productive, and I'll see you in the next video.